Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So as you guys know by the title, today I will be answering all your questions and I will also do a beautiful nude makeup look. So if you guys are interested and if you want to know how I create that beautiful nude look which I absolutely love, then please keep on watching. First, let me just apply a little bit of serum on my skin. So today I will be using this Pixie Vitamin C Serum. I'm just taking 2 to 3 drops of this. So I like to press it down. So guys, that was my first step. Now the first question is from Ruby Das. Hi Ruby, how are you? How's your life going? So it's going good. I have been working really hard for my YouTube as well as for my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, you should. Now beside my work, I definitely take out time for my family, my friends and for myself. My life is going great, Ruby. Let me know how's your life is going. So that was the first question. Now let's move on to the primer, and today I will be using the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. The next question is from Swagata Ghosh. What is your favorite part of makeup, your favorite makeup look and your favorite lipstick shade? Okay, so my favorite part of makeup is always eye makeup. If you guys are following me, then obviously you guys will know my favorite makeup look, the one I did inspired by Shreya Jain, that eye wala thing. It's my favorite. It's something which was very unique and I was trying for the first time and I really like the outcome of it. So that is something which is my favorite, I would say. And my favorite lipstick shade. My favorite lipstick shade, it has to be Exotic from NYX. Let's move on to foundation. Today I will be using my Sugar foundation stick, Ace of Face, and I'm in the shade 35 Frappe. I'm just going to apply a little bit. No, it's not a little bit, it's a lot. So the next question is from Aditi. Any plans of meetup in Mumbai? As of now, no. Let me just start blending this. One makeup tip you wanna give. If you're doing your eye makeup after you have done your base, then definitely apply a little bit of powder underneath. And if you forget to apply that powder, and if you have fallout, then you have to take a clean brush, take a little bit of powder. Don't go directly, tap off the excess and then swipe. And that is how you don't mess up with the fallout, and this is something which I definitely follow and always it works for me. So the next step is applying a little bit of loose powder, and today I will be using the Sugar Set the Tone Tinted Powder. It is a new launch. If you guys want me to review this and do a comparison with the Fit Me Loose Powder, then let me know in the comment section below. The next question is from Atharva. How you inspired to start a YouTube channel? First of all, inspiration wise, I think I have learned some of the things from my aunt, and then I used to watch Nikki tutorials from 2016 Jan. And the next thing, I went through all the YouTubers from India and Kolkata, and honestly I knew I can do much better when it comes to makeup. So then I started practicing at home. By practicing, I mean I used to sit in front of my camera. I used to record that video and just delete it because I didn't know how to edit and everything. If you have seen my first YouTube video, you guys would know I didn't know anything about editing. That is how I started and I got inspired. So the next step I am going with is a bronzer and a contour, and this is the My Glam Pose HD Bronzer Duo, and you can see it has a bronzer and a contour in like separately, and I really like this. So I'm going to apply this with my Lakara F004 brush. So the brush I used to blend my foundation was the Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. So the next question is from Sukhinder Kaur, and the question is favorite food and favorite color. I absolutely love eating. Favorite food for me is pork bao, sushi, and I think seafood platters. I absolutely love seafood. So yeah, those are the things I love. What about you? Let me know your favorite food. Now for my blush, I'm using the Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Creamy Cinnamon. And I really like this blush. It's very pretty. So my favorite color, it has to be white, grey, blue, black, and that blush pink. I absolutely love. Like 3 years ago it was all blue, then black, then it has to be grey. Now it is white and blushed pink. I always end up buying something which is white or blush pink. The next step is applying a highlighter, and I will be using the ColourPop Wisp highlighter. So guys, I'm applying the highlighter with my Sigma fan brush. And the next question is from Nilomi. Are you still studying or you have a job beside being a YouTuber? I am not studying, I'm just a full-time YouTuber. Okay you guys, now I'm going to do my brows, and for my brows I will be using my ABH Dip Brow Pomade, and I am in the shade Chocolate. And of course the brush I'm going to use is from Faces Canada, and this is the mascara and eyebrow brush. So the next question is from Shiny Banerjee. Which college and what stream? I'm also from Kolkata. Oh, hi Shiny. So I'm from Ashutosh College, and I have studied Communicative English from Ashutosh College. And what about you? Where do you stay in Kolkata? So my brows are done. I think it's a good brow day today. What do you guys think? So the next question is from Ani Mimi. What taunts you got from your relatives for being a YouTuber, not going to office, making your home your workspace, and didn't they ask you to get married instead of YouTube? First of all, no. I never got any taunts from any of my relatives or family members. I got that really great support, which I'm very thankful, and I'm getting very emotional because I have seen a lot of people talking about they don't get that support from their parents. And relatives to dur ki baat hai. There were some people, like 2 or 3 people who were like, you are doing YouTube, that's great, but you are 23, you should definitely get married. And my dad was like, no, she's gonna take her time, 3 to 5 years, then we'll think about it. And I was like, thank you so much, I have my time, I need to grow a lot more. Come on. I have seen a lot of people telling me that, are you a beautician? And I'm like, no, there's a difference between beautician and a makeup artist. So, and honestly, I don't say myself a makeup artist anymore because there are tons of makeup artists out there who actually don't know how to blend eyeshadow. But I am a YouTuber, I love makeup. But yes, if you like my makeup, my work, then you can definitely contact me. I will make your day special by doing your makeup on that very day. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of contouring shade on my eyes just to give some depth, and the brush here I will be using is PAC 204. The next question is from Salvi. What inspires you to do YouTube and Insta? What advice you want to give to new people who are still lacking? First of all, what inspires me is your support, your comments, your love, which inspires me daily to create more videos, more content for you guys. Okay, just let me apply some mascara and then I'm going to answer the next question. By the way, the mascara I'm using is from Shambor. Okay, so one advice you want to give to new people who are still lacking. First of all, be very honest to your followers and subscribers. Be truthful. And another thing is, don't try to copy, be yourself. and if you know you're good at it, just go for it. Next question is, how do you manage your laziness towards work if sometimes you don't want to do but still you have to do it? How do you manage that situation? ये सिचुएशन ना मेरा हर वक्त आता है, like every time. Okay, I am wearing some lashes because I honestly love lashes, so I'm using Rufa Beauty Nulia, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to wear them right now. First of all, I am very lazy. When it comes to lazy, I think I'm 100% lazy, and there is always that time I want to film, but I am so lazy to get up and do the setting, and it's so weird, but still I try to manage. I like to do something like this. अगर मैं अभी सो रही हूँ तो I would like to do my editing, and otherwise I like to just sit, film for you guys. I like to do some YouTube videos, Instagram videos. मेरा patience level भी बहुत कम है. ऐसे अभी नीचे बच्चे लोग खेल भी रहे हैं तो चीख रहे हैं, and I'm very annoyed right now, but still क्या कर सकते हैं. Lashes are on. Now I'm going to just highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Now it's time for my lipstick, and today I will be using the Faces Canada matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Pretty Sepia. I guess I am pronouncing the name right. Also, the next and the last question is from Shiny Datta. Your favorite YouTuber and your favorite highlighter in affordable range. Now the last question was my favorite YouTuber. I guess there are so many. Shalini Srivastava, there is Nikki Tutorials, Stacy, Shreya Jain's work I really like. She is very hardworking. And next is Jeffree Star. He's very good. Your favorite highlighter in affordable range. So for highlighter, I'm definitely going to recommend the Sugar Contour Diffused Mini Highlighter. You can see it comes in a mini form. You get 4 shades in this. Otherwise, you can definitely try Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter. The shade is Precious Petals. So yeah, both of them. So guys, I hope you guys like this makeup look, and if you guys want to know how I did my hair, just go to my Instagram. I'm going to mention the link down in the description box below. Also guys, if you want to buy any of the products, I am going to mention their link down in the description box below as well. And also you can definitely follow me on Instagram for 1 minute amazing makeup tutorials and skincare videos. And yes guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.